Chess players. Hey, this is Noah. It is late on a Saturday night, and just had the latest move with this player. I've been playing on GameNot.com. So, I'm rated about 1249. This player is rated 1308. We've had 32 moves so far. I'm six ahead, amazingly. My last move was I moved my castle from C6 to C7. Their knight is way over here in H7. My knight way down here at the bottom. Queen is just waiting to move over and take me out. Um, I think that I might be able to win this game, but just want to talk about it a little bit. Maybe saying stuff aloud will help me figure stuff out before I make a big blunder. If you've got comments, send them my way as well in the comments for the video or for the website. So I figure this knight has got to get out of the way. They can move this knight up one space, and really they can't go anywhere else because my queen has that whole section covered. So they can only move that king up one. I've got it in check because of my castle. They could move their castle down, which if they did that, uh, I think that I could take that castle with my queen. There's nothing that I see that they could do from that spot. They could take my queen, but then my castle takes their king. They can't move their king anywhere because my queen would control the spaces around that area. So I don't see where I could go astray here. I don't have a threat from their queen. I don't think I have a threat from their bishop. I do think I may win this game, so we'll see. It takes a couple days for this player to get back with me, but I'll keep you posted, let you know how it comes out. Um, if you've got ideas, if you see some flaws in my logic, send them my way in the comment section, either on YouTube or on the blog site. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I do have the blog site, Royal Registry Chess Society.blogspot.com. So follow me there. All on YouTube, all the likes, subscribes, and the shares are all appreciated and welcome. Thank you so much. And let's see how this one plays out. All right, I will check back tomorrow. Thanks, everybody. Have a good night.